This is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to tell you how to get started on Poshmark. Now, Poshmark is an app that has been around for quite a while. It's a buying and selling app that makes it easy for you to sell the things in your closet that you're really not wearing that much. And this video comes as a special request from one of my viewers, Marie. Hi Marie, and I'm doing this just for you. I hope it is helpful. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your smartphone and you want to go to the App Store and you want to download the app. And I'm going to show you in the split screen what that icon looks like. You want to open that up, download it. It'll talk you through the steps on how to do that. Once it is uploaded on your phone, it's really quite easy from there. There is a section that tells you how to get started on Poshmark, what Poshmark etiquette is, and I would advise you to click on those references because they are very helpful in being successful on the Poshmark app. The first thing after you have gotten yourself familiar with Poshmark app is to then go to your page. You want to open up your closet, which says My Closet, and you can change your profile. You can add a little bit of a bio about yourself and tell people about you so that when they click on your closet and they want to click on about, they can learn about you, the things that you like, and you know, whatnot. So once you've done that, make sure you upload a friendly looking photo. A lot of people will upload their dogs or just leave it with the generic icon, but I think you come across as more engaging if you have a smiling photo of yourself. And so I would upload a nice photo of yourself. Once you do that, put a little bit of bios like, hi, my name's Audrey, I like thrifting and I love these brands, whatever. You can keep it very generic and simple. Then it's all about uploading the things that you want to sell. So in order to do that, what you want to do is click on the little camera at the bottom. You'll see a little icon and it says sale. So you click on the camera and then you can begin uploading photos that you've already taken with your phone on your page. And it gives you the option of uploading, I believe, up to like 8 photos. Before it wasn't that many, and now at the request of people who are engaging in Poshmark, they've allowed it to where you can upload more photos, which is really great. That way you can show more details. Now, I'm going to show you the process of uploading videos and give you some tips on making your pictures, you know, clickable. Something that people will want to buy. Once you have decided what you're going to sell, the item you're going to sell, you want to position it in such a way that you can get a really good photo. So I would advise you to use as much natural light as possible. The better the lighting, the better the picture is going to be. So I try to photograph my photos in natural light. So I have a little nail on the back of my door, and this is where I hang my purses when I am doing a photo of the bag. Now, you want to have a backdrop that is pretty plain and not distracting. I would not do it on any patterned bedspreads or, you know, busy wallpaper or any type of background, because it really does not allow for the item to stand out. So I'm using my Henri Bendel bag as a sample of how that would be. So this is how it would look. You want to make sure that you are, you know, getting it to look its best, just like you're doing an actual photo shoot of yourself, because not only are you the CEO of your closet, but you're also the art director, the marketing director, and you play all of the roles in making your, you know, Poshmark closet a successful one. So take several pictures. I would do one from this angle. I would also turn it around and do one from the back, because you want to show the people who are buying your bag many different options. So I would take one from this angle as well. Next, you want to give like maybe some close-up details of some of the nice highlights of the bag, like maybe the buckle, show them a little bit of the strap, so that they can see that it is in good condition. One option that I like to do, I like to come into my bathroom and take photos because it's just a nice neutral background, nothing distracting. So once again, you could, I hung it on the door so they could see the length of the strap, and we'll talk about measurements and including that in the description later. But this is a way where they can see more of the bag in different ways. So you definitely want to show them the inside, and when you're doing that, you want to make sure that your lighting is good, because what's the point of showing the inside if it's dark on the inside? Another great thing to do when you're doing your photo ops for your products is to use maybe a tape measure as a visual reference, because people do tend to want to know as much about the bag as possible. So you might want to do an op where you set up your camera and take a few photos like this, so that it'll save yourself some time when you're doing your descriptions too. Instead of having to write down all the measurements, you can just they can reference the photo and actually see the measurements. So you could actually do several photo ops that way. All right, so once you have uploaded your photos that you love and you've got the right lighting and the right angles and pictures taken and you've uploaded them, the next thing you want to do is you actually want to go to other closets and you want to visit their closets and maybe even comment. That will create traffic on your page, and that is very important in getting the customers to your page to possibly have some of your items to sell. So you want to create that traffic flow to your page, and that is the best way to do it. Go to other people's closets, look around, like some of their items, share some of their items. You have the option of sharing. There is a sharing tab at the top, which I'm showing you on the split screen, and you just share, and it gives you the options of sharing the links and whatnot to other social media pages, etc. So you want to do that, and you are the marketing tool. Word of mouth is you clicking on their page, sharing and liking in their closet, and then it will bring the reciprocity to you. It will be done for you as well. So that is what I would do, and I would make it like a business and make it like a daily thing that I'm gonna spend maybe an hour a day moving through Poshmark and creating interaction on my page. So make sure you just set aside that time, which I do from time to time, still visit other people's closet even when I'm not selling, just to keep them knowledgeable about my page. I also use my YouTube platform as a way to market and let people know that I do have a Poshmark Closet. So just create that flow. Make sure you take good pictures. It's really simple. It's really easy. Oh, by the way, I do need to mention about shipping. It's really easy to ship. Once you make a sale, you immediately be emailed a shipping label, and you can just print that out. If you don't have a printer, you can go to Kinko's or wherever and print it out. But I happen to have a printer. It's really easy. You just print it out and you can adhere it to your box. Now I use United States Postal Service, the USPS boxes that they offer online. You can go online, they're free, you can get as many as you want. I have a whole closet full of boxes ready in different sizes, and I just keep myself ready for shipment. So I have tissue paper that I've saved from things that I've purchased, and maybe even gotten them at like the Dollar Tree. You can get tissue paper and you can get butcher paper, all kinds of things that you need for shipping, bubble wrap, etc. So make sure you have a handy plethora of shipping items, your packaging tape, all of that, so that when you do sell, you're ready to package up and ready to go. Because you don't want to delay your mailing, because that is part of you creating a good rating on your system, because they can look and see what your track record is. Is it 1 day? Is it 2 day? And people more than likely will not shop if they see that you have a 3 day, 4 day shipment day, and really they don't really allow you to go longer than that. They will alert you if you have not shipped off a person's item by a certain time frame. So you do want to make sure you're a fast shipper. You want to make sure that you're communicating thoroughly with the person that has purchased from you, your client, so you can just alert them, say, I just sent out your item. Even though a generic alert is going to be sent to them, you still want to make it more personable. I just shipped out your item. It should be arriving quickly. I hope you enjoy it, etc. You also want to put little notes in your packaging. That's always a nice touch. Some people add extra little gifts, which is always nice, because I have shopped other people's closet more than once because of the service that I've received. So it keeps the customers coming back. That's just marketing 101, right? So that's another thing to keep in mind. So take advantage of the United States Postal Service boxes that they provide, and make sure your packaging and shipping is nicely done and packaged. You don't want things shifting around and breaking. You want things to arrive, and you want that person to be happy when it arrives to them. And you can keep a record of your sales, and your sales can build up as credits, and you can use that to shop in the future, or you can have the option of linking your account for direct deposit, which is what I do, and or sometimes I'll let my credits build up. Either way, you have that option and that choice, which is awesome. I've done both, and it's been just a really great way for me to have a little extra change on the side. But I hope that answers your question, Marie, and anyone out there who is considering doing Poshmark. It's really easy, it's really simple, and if you have any additional questions, just please leave them in the comment below, and I'll be sure to message you back. Well, guys, I want to say happy Poshing, have fun, enjoy yourself, don't get stressed out about it, and you'll even learn more as you go along. Thanks so much for tuning in, and remember to always be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye. By the way, if you have a Poshmark account, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I would like to check out your closet, so please leave your Poshmark handle down below. Also, if you have a Posh account, let me know what your tips would be for someone wanting to start a Posh account. Love to hear from you. Bye.